Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable disk write caching in your Windows 10 device. So write caching is a features of Windows 10. With this enable these features, you can optimize your PC for better performance. So to enable or disable the disk write cache, you just need to go to the search bar here and search for device manager. Search for device manager. After typing device, you can see there's an option called device manager, so click on that. After opening the device manager option, you have to go to the disk drive option, so just expand that option here and you will see the hard drive of your device here. So it's Toshiba here. In your case it will be a different name. So just right click on the hard drive here and then go to the properties. After opening the properties here, you need to click on the policies tab here, and then you can see there's an option called enable write caching on the device. So it's check mark here, that means it's enabled here. So it will improve the system performance by enabling write caching on the device. So it will improve your and optimize your PC for better performance. So if you want to turn off or disable the write caching here, just uncheck from the box here and click OK. And if you want to re-enable it, just right click on the hard drive here, go to the properties, go to the policies and just check mark here, click OK. So I recommend to enable the disk write cache here, so it will give you a better performance for your Windows 10 PC. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.